Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's go to the very top to find my phone. Let's enter. Then let's scroll and localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got a screen lock, just enter it to confirm. Now we are in the developer mode, so let's go back to the general list of the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap. Now let's scroll down again and enter developer options, and here in this list we have to localize this option, automatic system updates, and simply tap on this switcher to turn it on. So from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.